Hey, it's been a while. I am Debbie Byrd with League Real Estate, and today we are at a cute little restored home over on Meadowbrook Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. This cute little home is listed at only $310,000, and it is filled with all the charm and all the eclectic goodness you could ever want. I cannot wait to show you this home, and let's go see. Okay, look at this place. It is so cute. It's got a driveway gate that's electric. Look at this house. It just looks like a fairy tale to me. I love the awning on the front. Look at this brick archway. And the beautiful door. Oh my goodness, I even love the screen door. All right. We've got a brick fireplace here that is a gas fireplace. Tons of extra storage built in. First bedroom to the right here actually was originally a porch. They converted it to a bedroom and put a closet in it. And then sourced old wood floors from a salvage place to match the floors. I love that. These are original hardwood floors in the main part of the house. Okay, dining area. And then we have the second bedroom here. This is the biggest bedroom in the house, and they added that kind of corner closet there for extra closet space. It does have a closet right here to the left as well. And then this little bathroom. Okay, next we're gonna go into the kitchen. Look at this little coffee nook that they built in there. And then there's a bar here in the breakfast area, which you could remove those stools and put a little table if you wanted to, but I love that it's open to the living room so that you can see from the kitchen into the dining area, but it still has kind of a divided space. Kitchen has a microwave and dishwasher and an electric range. There is gas to the home, but that range is electric. And then the backyard, I love the backyard so much. Okay, beautiful new deck. And then a patio over here with all of this great landscaping. I just want to sit here and have coffee in the morning. Isn't it just lovely? Koi pond. So cute. The fish come with the house. All right, we'll go back in. There's built-ins everywhere in this house. All right, there's a laundry area. The current owners added that. There was a small stacked area right there. This is the original full bathroom. This house had 2 bedrooms and 1 bath originally. Isn't that tile so cute? Okay, now we're going to down this hallway. This is also an addition because there was a back room off of the garage that was kind of a storage area. They made a closet right here. And then this hallway, look at this spot looking out over the garden. Now in bad weather, you can still sit and have coffee and look. All right, this door goes out to the driveway area. Even this place right here, I know it's a driveway, but it just looks so pretty. It's like its own little sanctuary. So you can park a couple cars back here. There's this space here that they just have a little sidewalk and garden area. Those cedar shingles and that arched door are just so cute. Well, this home is 1,884 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Okay, now this bedroom is a little bit interesting. They have it set up as kind of an office and music room. Originally, they divided it because they had 2 kids that were going to share this room, and they kind of wanted to give them a little bit of separation. Really, there are so many options with this room. All right. That's it for this little tour. We're listing this house at $310,000. I would love to hear what you think about this house. please leave a comment. Okay, what did y'all think? With just a little under 1,900 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, this darling house is listed at $310,000. And y'all, it has so much character. I just adore it. So if you are interested in this house, you know what to do. Give me a call. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.